guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Yes, today we're going to be talking about how to achieve and maintain a glowing skin in your 30s. Girl, you need this video, okay? If you're in your 30s, even if you are in your 20s, trust me, you need this video, because if you can implement some of the things that I'm going to be sharing here today while you are still in your 20s, it's going to benefit you even more when you get into your 30s or your 40s. Pretty much, let's get straight into this video. All right, guys, welcome back. Like I said, today I'm going to be giving you all the tips and tricks on how to achieve and maintain a glowing skin in your 30s, because the word 30s, the age 30s, is pretty much where you become serious with your life. You become serious with everything that has to do with you. You know, there's a certain maturity that comes with 30. I know this because I am in my mid-30s, and I can tell you for sure that I am more serious with my life now than I was in my 20s. I feel like your 20s are just the time when you're playing around, testing the waters, and you know, just being a little girl. But as soon as you clock 30, you're like, oh, I need to be serious. I need to take my life seriously. I need to take my diet seriously. I need to, you know, there's this mood that comes with turning that age, right? And as such, our bodies are not so forgiving as well either, because God, at the days when I remember when we were like teenagers, right? You can eat pizza, you can eat bread morning, afternoon, night, you know, snack on anything. You wake up the next morning and your tummy is still flat. Right now, it's not so forgiving. So this is why it is important for you to know how to have a glowing skin in your 30s and how to maintain it as well. Because trust me, these days, attention has shifted from how good her makeup looks to how good does her skin look. Yes. People now are more concerned about your skin. People are now more concerned about how their skin is looking, how their skin is feeling, and all of that. Let me tell you the secret. If you can have an amazing skin in your 30s, you're pretty much, it's like an insurance for your 40s and 50s, because your wrinkles will not come early. Your age lines and stuff are not going to show as fast as they would show if you did not take care of your skin in your 30s. Do you understand what I'm saying? So pretty much, whatever you do now is what is going to save you in your 40s and in your 50s. So it is so. Did I just say so? It is so. Anyway, so it is very important for you to understand how to take care of your skin in your 30s. So the first thing that you would want to do, the first thing you want to know in your 30s and how to maintain a glowing skin is, first off, whatever it is that you put into your mouth is going to tell on your body. A lot of times people believe that it's all about what you apply on your skin, what you apply as a cream, as a moisturizer, whatever. That's what's going to determine how your skin is, or how healthy your skin is, or if your skin is glowing. But truthfully, what you eat, what goes into you, makes a whole lot of difference compared to what actually you're using on your skin. Because if you're eating crap, right, if you keep eating junk, it's going to tell on your skin. You're going to have breakouts. Your skin is not going to look healthy. It's going to look very dull, and as such, whatever products that you might be using on the surface is not going to work. And then you think, oh, this product is not working for me, blah blah blah. No, it is important for you to understand that whatever it is that you put into your mouth matters a lot to the overall health of your skin. So drink lots of water. I know it sounds cliche, like you've heard it over and over, but let me tell you something. Drinking lots of water would help your skin a whole lot. It will help you be hydrated, and when you're hydrated, your skin will look nice, your skin will look fresh, your skin will look soft. So drink lots of water. Make sure that you're having a good serving of fruits and vegetables in your meals. Once you're in your 30s, your body is not going to forgive you as easily as it would when you were in your 20s. And this is why I said, if you're in your 20s and you're watching this video, you are in luck, because you can implement these things now while you're in your 20s. And by the time you're in your 30s, you know, it's very, very easy for you. So pretty much whatever it is that you're eating matters a lot. So drink lots of water. Make sure that you're taking lots and lots of fruits and vegetables. Okay, it is so important, you guys. As much as they scream this thing a lot, it is not just something everybody says. It is something that is practical. Take a very good look at me. All right, take a good look at me. I am a mom of 3 and I'm in my mid-30s, but guess what? My skin is doing amazing, and one of the reasons it is this healthy is because I drink lots of water. I watch what I eat. I watch what goes into my stomach. I take lots of pain to understand what I am eating and why I'm eating this. Do you get what I'm saying? So make sure that you're taking lots of water, fruits and vegetables. Make sure you are taking a lot of nuts. This is one secret that when I understood, I started investing in nuts a lot, because nuts have natural oils that will help to nourish your skin, nourish your body. Because what happens is, the more you age, the lesser the oil your body is producing naturally. And as such, if it was producing a lot of oil and your skin was shining and glowing, as soon as that oil starts to deplete in production, your skin is going to go dull, wrinkles are going to show, and you're going to look old, and you're not going to like how you look. So what you need to do is understand that the body might not be producing as much as it used to, and then you're going to supplement them, pretty much. That is why it is important to know what you're eating, because it plays a major role. It plays a major role, okay? So make sure that you're eating enough nuts. I don't skip a week without having maybe granules, coconuts most especially, because it has a lot of natural oils. When avocados are in season, I do my best to snack on them a whole lot. I have a recipe with avocado on my channel here. You can check that out and see how you can incorporate that into your diet. Okay, so for another thing about what you put into your mouth, in your 30s is when you need to pay attention to taking multivitamins. You guys, I never took multivite all my life. I never took any interest in taking multivitamins, except when I am pregnant. And as soon as I'm done with my pregnancy, I pack that up and that's it. But I started consciously taking multivitamins for myself, for my skin, to just help me balance things up. So make sure you are using a multivitamin. Get to your doctor, get to your nearest pharmacist, and talk with them. There's so many products, so many brands that you could be using. I personally use the Reload brand, and it has been so good for me, for my skin, and my overall health. All right, that is number one. Number two, you need to rest. I know it's your 30s, you have goals that you need to achieve, things that you need to crush, and all of that. But let me tell you something. If you eat right and you do not rest right, it is not also going to work. Do you get what I'm saying? It will not work. So try to always rest as much as you can. If you know you had a very stressful week, make sure that the weekend is there for you to rest and to sort of get yourself back, because rest is important. Good sleep is important. You always hear them say, I want to go and get my beauty sleep. That's because it is important. You need to rest mentally and otherwise, so that your skin, your body can rejuvenate and get itself back. Now that we are done with resting and eating, let's go to the next one, which is the number 3. Another thing you would need to start doing and implement is a skincare routine. This, I feel like I need to scream this. I know all over the place now there are skincare routines here and there, but find a skincare routine that works for you, that works with you, and that you are comfortable with. Because what I see is, the more complex the skincare routine is, the harder it is for you to actually be consistent. And the only thing that is going to make a skincare routine work for you is consistency. If you are consistent with it, it will work for you. It will show results in your skin. It will show results on your body. But if you are not consistent, it is not going to work for you. And how can you be consistent with something that is difficult, like you have to do this and do that, like multiple stages? If it's just a simple cleanse, moisturize, tone that works for you, that you're comfortable with, start with that and stick to it. Okay, start with that skincare routine and stick to it, and just make sure that you are as religious and consistent on that skincare routine as possible. That way you will get the best results out of it. And while you are doing your skincare routine, make sure you talk to experts, because it is so easy to get over the shelf things. But let me tell you something, at this age and time, it is not going to work for you, or your body is not going to forgive you over this product the way it will forgive you when you were much younger. So it makes a lot of sense to invest in speaking with a professional to guide you through the process. It might be expensive, but trust me, your skin, and in the long run, is going to pay you. Do you understand what I'm saying? So make sure you get a skincare routine and stick to it. While you are looking for a skincare routine, get one that is easy for you to adhere to and be consistent with. Consistent. That is the key. Now, number 4, which is also in line with having a skincare routine, is for you to get an exfoliator. Like, you need to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating is more like, getting off the dead skins or the dead cells of your body, so that the fresh new ones that are coming out can show, they can glow, and all of that. If you keep having dead skins or dead cells on your skin, there is no amount of products you use Okay, this is why this is coming after skincare routine. There is no amount of product you use on your skin that is going to manifest, that is going to give you any form of result. So make sure you exfoliate your skin once or twice in a week. Get an exfoliator that is perfect for your skin tone, perfect for your skin type. Again, you need a professional to guide you through this, but I'm going to be doing a separate video where I show you how I make my skin my own exfoliator that I use for my skin, and that's for brown skin girls. Okay, anyway, get an exfoliator and make sure you exfoliate your skin at least once or twice in a week. It is so important. This will help your skin shine. This will help your skin glow. This would help you look beautiful without even trying, because there are days when you just want to step out without having to wear makeup and all of that, but your skin is talking. Your skin is doing all the talking. All right, that is what you want. This is 2022. You can't be walking around with a dull skin. So get an exfoliator, because it is so important. All right, and I'm telling you because I'm in my 30s and I'm doing exactly what I am telling you. So the next thing that you would want to do after you have a skincare routine, you have your exfoliator and all of that, is to take your health seriously. Make sure that wherever you live, because sometimes the environment that you live in could actually be what is damaging your health. So if you're constantly exposed to the sun, which we all are, invest in a very good sunscreen. This still falls into the category of a skincare routine. Invest in a sunscreen. Protect yourself from the sun as much as possible. Wear your sunscreen, wear hats, wear things that and help your skin in a way that sun doesn't get to burn it all the time, because the more sun exposure you get, the worse your skin is going to look. So make sure that you are taking precautions away from the sun. Make sure that you're living in an area where is healthy. Some people live in areas near like major industries and stuff, and the air is polluted. You're perceiving and breathing in all of that. That is going to tell on your skin, and there's no way you're living in that kind of environment and your skin is going to do well. So make sure that where you are living is healthy, and there's no air pollution as much that can damage your skin. Now, another thing that you would want to know, and this is where I'm going to be ending it, is after doing all of these, after having a skincare routine, exfoliating, and all of these, if you are not consistent in all of this, the next thing you will want to know is that it is not the amount of products that you use on your skin that is going to guarantee a glowing skin, but it is how you use these products and if these products are meant for you in the first place. So make sure, this is where I'm ending this video, make sure that you are getting products that are meant for you. Make sure that you're not following a trend. You can't follow a trend with your skin. Let me just be very honest. So just because everybody is using a particular product, just because certain influencers that you love are raving about a particular product, doesn't mean you should jump on it. For heaven's sake, they are paid to do this. This is their job, right? It doesn't mean it's going to work for you. So don't jump on trends when it comes to your skin. Be consistent with what you're doing with your skin, whether you're black, you're fair, however your skin complexion. Just know that so long as you are consistent, you're going to get results. These are the tips, these are the tricks that I have been using for myself, that is what I've been using for years now, and they've been paying off, as you can see. All right, so let me know in the comment section if you want me to do like a more detailed video as to what I use for my skin and how I'm able to like pretty much my skincare routine. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you're interested in a video like that. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so more people can see it. Leave for me in the comment section whatever skin issues or problems you have with your skin as a woman in your 30s or even in your 20s, and I'm going to definitely answer to them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Wait, don't go yet. If you are not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Okay, please click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell right next to it so you get notified every time I post my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.